All right, just to remind you, if you have questions or comments to improve the videos, contact me at diana.thomas@westpoint.edu. I'm going to refer you back to Lesson 12, number 1 and 3, which went through Pythagorean's theorem. But here I have to change the numbers. I'm going through it a little bit more quickly this time. I changed the numbers so that they are not numbers that are changed for you, so I changed them physically. So I can give you a similar example. So here the leg is 9 and the leg is 5, so 9 squared plus 5 squared is x squared, the hypotenuse squared. And then we solve for x squared, we solve for x by taking the square root. And I only get the positive square root because this is a distance. So x is the square root of 105. It turns out that 105 is really 5 times 3 times 7. So I have no pairs I can take out. But if I had a pair of primes that divided 105, I could pull out for every 2, I can pull out 1. And that's what would go here. But here I don't have anything I can pull out, so it just stays 105. On number 2, here, what's wanted is the formulas sine of an angle is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, adjacent is the 4 over the hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. So I'm going to change the numbers again here. So if you just plug the numbers in, opposite over hypotenuse in my case is 4 over 6. Adjacent over hypotenuse is 5 over 6. And opposite over adjacent is 4 over 5. So that's what goes into these slots. Last one of the FCE type questions. How do you find the straight line distance between a pair of points? First, I'm going to change the numbers again to protect the innocent. You first label the P and the Q, x1, y1, x2, y2. So I labeled them. See, this is my x1, this is my y1, this is my x2, and this is my y2. And then I put them into the distance formula, which is x1 minus x2 quantity squared plus y1 minus y2 quantity squared. So if I plug those into the distance formula, I was told here to express as a decimal approximation at least 3 places. I get 6.708 with my changed numbers.